check out this soap dispenser that was sent to me. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. And this is the shampoo dispenser. As you can see, you have some wall hooks, and these are the screws and wall plugs that we're going to go ahead and use on this. And then these are the 3 shampoo dispensers. It is on a hook, which is this. So this part is actually going to go onto your wall. This is the backing that's actually going to help stick onto your wall. We can go ahead and actually screw this in, and then this part is, so you're going to screw it from the front, and then this part here is actually tape. So as you can see, you could take that tape off and stick it. You do have 6 of them, so you have 3 here and 3 up here. Now this is the front. So let's go ahead and slide one of these out. So as you can see through here, and you can see where you can actually put those screws. So you do have these wall screws and the wall plugs to go into your wall, and then you do have these. So if you did want to use these, you can go ahead and screw this into the bottom. This is going to be on the opposite side, like right here. Screw this in, and then you can go ahead and stick that onto the wall. And then this is the actual dispenser. Look at how pretty and elegant it actually looks. This is a hard sort of plastic, and of course this is clear so that you can go ahead and see what's actually inside, where your levels are. And then you do have the silver button that will go ahead and help dispense any of that liquid. Now on top here, you have the lock and unlock. So simply turn and you can go ahead and uncover. And then of course you can go ahead and pour your liquid in here. This is what it looks like.